Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know how you can see behind me here, but it is raining. And we're going to do this cookout here by the garage. Hopefully it stays pretty light. Right now it's just a light rain. So guys, we got some chicken. We got some bone-in split chicken breast. And I'm going to grill them up out here on the Weber Kettle. Hopefully it goes well and the weather works with me a little bit. But we're going to just season them up. We're going to grill them a little bit. We're going to bake them a little bit. And we're just going to sauce them up at the end and have a nice little dinner here for the family. So guys, let me show you what we're going to do. Alright guys, I didn't check the pounding of this. There are 3 massive split chicken breasts, or 4, I'm sorry. I don't think they cut them real good, but I guess they're as good as they're going to be. We're just going to use this St. Elmo's seasoning, this steak seasoning, but I use it on about everything around here, so that's all we're going to add to it. Add a little sauce at the end. I'll show you that here in a little while. I can't believe how big these chicken breasts are. Get them flipped over. Get the other side. Guys, when this grill comes up to temp, we're going to dump that charcoal and get this chicken on there. We'll see you outside at the pit. Alright, I think we're good enough here. Running our typical 2-zone fire. Yeah, spread this out a little bit. Don't need it super hot today. If I can keep it up in the 375, 400, I'll be okay. Get a grate on there. Bring this thing up to temp. Okay guys, that crazy cameraman forgot to hit record. Always putting the chicken on, but I'm gonna come in here. I got some mesquite wood. I'm gonna dump in here and we're gonna get some smoke on this. We're just gonna bake this, I don't know how long. I'm gonna check on it in maybe about 15-20 minutes just to see where we are. I'm anticipating a 35 to 45 minute cook, maybe a little bit longer with this weather the way it is, so we'll just see how it goes. Guys, we're a little over 15 minutes in. We got a ways to go, as you can see. I'm going to turn these over. I'm not going to turn them around yet. Yeah, we got a long ways to go, but I do want to turn these over. Get the backside cooking some. I wish I'd have trimmed that off right now. I'm going to keep it indirect for now. Just want to concentrate on getting some smoke on here. We might go a little bit more direct here in about 15 minutes. I'm going to throw one more piece of little mesquite wood, and that's probably all the smoke we're going to add to this at all. Alright, we'll check back in about 15 minutes or so, see where we are. Alright guys, about 30 minutes into this cook. I'm going to give these guys a flip. We're going to get some temps. I might have to speed this up. I really didn't want to put them more direct, but we'll see where we are here in just a minute. Rainy days kind of mess with the cook times around this part of the country. It's because of the humidity. We do got active rain. Sure we're not done, but let's see where, yeah, we're about 110 there. 115, we've got a little ways to go. Alright, I'm not going to go full on direct, but I'm going to get us a little closer to the heat. We're going to check back in about 15 minutes. This one here though, I'm gonna leave it back a little bit. It's a little, that's like 124. Going for 165 internal temp, guys. Check back here in just a bit. Alright guys, in case you haven't noticed, I've had to break out some lighting. We're not there yet. I'm going to, I didn't want to do this. Oop, but I'm gonna have to start grilling these. But tell you what, first, I'm gonna have to move. We've had some rain pick back up. Alright guys, sorry about that. We're gonna have to keep an eye on it. It's gonna go pretty quick now. Well, these things are so big. Alright. Even these Grillaholics tongs can't handle it. This one's getting closer, so I'm not going to leave that. That might have to pull that back a little sooner. We are pretty much direct here. We're going to let that grill a few minutes. We're going to come back and give them a flip and see where we are. Just going to give these a flip. I want the skin crisp but not burnt, so that's what I'm looking at, guys. We're gonna sauce it anyway. It's gonna be good. Check back in just a minute. Alright guys, I'm not gonna bore you with every flip, but this is what we're doing, just till we're done. I assure you we are close. Just a couple minutes here. I'll bring you back when I pull it back and we're going to start saucing these things, guys. We're finally, guys. My family's about to shoot me. This cook went way longer than I anticipated. I don't know how well you can see this. It has gotten dark on me. I got some lighting set up. I'm just using some G. Hughes. It was a horrible lighting. G. Hughes sugar-free original barbecue sauce. And yes, I bought the sugar-free on purpose. That's what old people do. I'm gonna baste these a couple times. I'm not gonna show you all of it because my family is screaming for dinner. We're gonna get some good glaze. I'm not gonna worry about glazing the bottom side. We'll get these glazed up. I'm gonna go inside, get my family fed, and then you and I will come back and do a taste test on this. Alright guys, look at that big old chunk of chicken there. Mama steamed up some veggies. We're gonna get some of that on the plate. Oop, making a mess out of that. Some mashed taters. Guys, would you look at that spread? Alright guys, if I can get in here, I'm gonna slice into this right in here. Get us a bite. I really need to sharpen that knife. It's so juicy. Oh my god. Let's get a bite. Alright guys. See how we did. It was so moist. Barbecue sauce. Seasoning. Tell you what. It definitely took longer than I anticipated. I anticipated about, of course it's raining, that can always change anything. In this part of the country, rain, humidity, it will extend the cook, for sure. This took about an hour and a half to get done, and the family was circling the wagons, I promise you. So, hope it was worth the wait. Guys, thank you so much. Definitely worth the wait on this one. It's an excellent cook. The chicken tastes fabulous. I can't wait to sit down with the family over here and eat it. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.